What's going on, guys? My name is Bart Komar, and today I'm going to show you guys how I upgraded my can lighting into downlight LEDs with a nightlight under 30 seconds. That's right, under 30 seconds. All right, and when I said under 30 seconds, I wasn't kidding. Let me show you guys how easy it is. Start the time.
So these lights I picked up on Amazon, and they're fairly inexpensive right now at $39 for a pack of 6, and you can get them in a 4-inch or a 6-inch depending on the size of can that you currently have. My cans are a 6-inch can, so obviously I went with the 6-inch lights. So if you guys want to check these out for yourselves, go ahead and dive down into the description of this video where you're going to find a Amazon link that'll take you directly to them.
That's it. Roughly 30 seconds, and we got ourselves a brand new light that will light up your hallway and make everything look all that much better.
All right, so let me walk you through the steps. The first thing you want to do is remove the old light bulb. You won't need it ever again. No more light bulbs. Then you're going to have this baffle trim that is held in place by 2 springs. You just want to pull up on those springs and remove the baffle with them. Then you're going to be left with the trim ring, and you just want to give it a light pull to see if it'll come down. If not, it means that it's just painted in place, and you can score around it with a utility knife to break that bond. And that's it. You're ready for the new light. These LED lights come with a plug that looks exactly like the end of your light bulb, and it just screws in. You can screw it in with the light attached to the cord, or you can actually unclip it with this little clip here. Before installing these lights, I like to set the color temperature, and it has 5 settings to choose from 3500 to 5500, and I set my lights to 4000. To install the light, I just screw the cap portion into the housing and clip the wires together off camera. Inside your old can, you're going to see 2 C-shaped clips, one on each side, and this is where you're going to attach the spring clips from the light. Just pinch them together and place them in the C-shaped clip and release. The spring tension is going to expand those spring tabs, and then you can just let it hang down while you tuck in all your wires and push the entire light up against the ceiling. Then with your wall switch, you can toggle through the light options. If you switch the wall switch up and quickly down, it will change from the regular LED to the night light option, or both at the same time. That's totally up to you. And if your wall switch is set up with a dimmer, you can also dim all of them. We really like the night light dimmed down to watch movies, and even keep it on all night in the hallway so you don't step on dog toys in the middle of the night while you're trying to make an ice cream run. Now, you might also run into a situation where that old light ring is a little bit bigger than these lights. All you have to do at that point is just take that light down, unclip those C-clips, and you can just do a little bit of sanding just to smooth everything down and touch it up with your ceiling paint. Then you can just pop that light back in and you're back in business. It's that easy, guys. So hopefully this helps you guys in deciding whether or not you want to upgrade your lighting. If you don't have can lighting already and you want to install something like this, I have a full video showing you guys how to wire it up, linked in the description below. And as always, if you're new to the channel and found this video useful, go ahead and hit that subscribe and the bell button so you get notified next time I release a video. Thank you so much for joining me on this experience. I will see you guys next time.